And Stocks App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how micro-investing apps have evolved in 2025. And Stocks promises automated investing, diversified portfolios and low fees, but is it really worth using? The surprising truth is simplicity. Most people get this wrong by thinking investing requires high capital or complex strategies. And Stocks allows you to start with small amounts, random purchases to invest spare change, and choose between passive or personalized portfolios tailored to your goals. One major advantage is automation. You won't believe what happens next when you see recurring deposits, automatic rebalancing, and tax-efficient investing options take the guesswork out of portfolio management. Notifications help you track performance and milestones effortlessly. The app also offers educational resources for beginners. Users can learn investment basics, understand risk profiles, and gain insights into market trends, which is especially helpful for new investors. However, there are cons. Portfolio options may be limited compared to full-service brokers, and fees for premium features can add up. Users seeking highly active trading or advanced tools might find BenStocks insufficient for their needs. In conclusion, BenStocks in 2025 is an excellent choice for beginners and casual investors seeking simplicity, automation, and low-cost entry into the market. While it may not replace full-service brokers for advanced traders, its easy-to-use interface and smart investment automation make it a valuable tool for growing savings over time.